What is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr.BrownGuy, and today we're gonna make a Indian cuisine called chicken biryani. Chicken biryani is something so delicious, and I'm gonna make a disclaimer before we get started. My mom makes the best chicken biryani in the world. No one makes it better. So I'm not trying to make it better than this. No, what I am trying to make is a higher protein intake when it comes to our chicken biryani, and getting those fats and carbs down. When you want to lose weight, something you need to hold on to is your muscle. A lot of people make the mistake of losing muscle when they want to lose weight. What do I mean by that? Well, we know that muscle burns more calories. So while we are losing weight, if we decrease our muscle levels as well, we are also going to decrease our metabolism. So what you need to focus on is having a high protein intake so your muscle doesn't get down, but you actually lose body fat percentage while your muscle is equal or is getting increased. That means you are going to tone your body. You're only going to focus on losing weight, but not muscle. So that is the main focus today, making chicken biryani with a high protein intake, medium carbs and medium fats. You want to see how it's done? Because we are going to make it as easy as possible. Whoa. Before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, share with your mom and dad. And grandma, she loves me already. Hanji Sonyo Kida. That means, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back again. And this was literally it. Wanna see the end results? Just a second. Ta-da! Actually, let's taste it. The tendency with this meal is that it dries out easily. So once you're done, add a little bit more Greek yogurt and it will stay creamy, tasty and delicious. A bigger portion of this will approximately have 560 calories, 72 grams of protein, 56 grams of carbs and 9 fats. That's literally nothing. And as I stated in the beginning, we need some high protein meals. Now if you want to see more meals just like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see and I'll make it. I won't make it better than your mom or daddy's, but I'll make a better protein version for sure. Until next time, it's your Mr. Brown Guy.